This is a funny video. Please do not take this seriously.
Now, as it is, the IPL is 4 months overdue. Let's not make the start of this video any more longer. Number 1. Delhi. Modi ji's Made in India campaign seems to be taken a little too seriously here. Just see the names on the team. Rishabh Pant, Ashwin, Ajinkya Rahane, Shikhar Dhawan, and the captain? Shreyas Iyer. I mean seriously, this is like making a sheep guard a pack of wolves. And then you decide to keep Ponting as the team's coach. Cause we all know India has always had such an amazing history with Australian coaches. Well, at least if nothing works out, Ponting can replace Iyer on field. That should be somewhat useful, I guess. Royal Challengers Bangalore. Raise your glasses to the Indian South Africa. Perennial chokers. 3 finals, 0 wins. Kohli and AB de Villiers are like 2 giant trees under whose shadow nothing grows. Ever. It's like watching a car crash happening in slow motion with the fully packed stadium of fans going Sunrisers Hyderabad. For some reason, just like Hyderabadi biryani, this team enjoys a very high popularity. But it seems like the owner decided to start building a team and dozed off midway. I mean, you took Warner and Mainstoke at the top, Bhuvaneshwar at the bottom, Kane Williamson in between, and the rest, Gully mein jo mile utha lo. With a few more names, they would have really been in contention. But why would they want to go against CSK and Mumbai? Market mein naye naye aaye hai. Makes sense that they aim low. Kolkata Knight Riders. On paper, what a team. From Brendan McCullum to Dinesh Karthik, Kuldeep Yadav, Russell, Sunil Narine, Morgan. In total, you even went on to spend 15 crore rupees on Pat Cummins. You are the second highest spender of all the teams, and yet I don't trust you a single bit. It may be the Karthik Russell rivalry or the very high expectations, but something will go wrong. I would not bet a single rupee on them winning, cause historically, the stronger the lineup they have, the harder they are gonna crash. I would rather bet on RCB winning than KKR making it to semi-finals. Punjab. Just so you remember, this Preity Zinta own team got docked for match fixing. Its main player retired due to psychological reasons. And this year, they are like that rich kid who knows he's gonna fail, knows that he has to repeat. So why not just enjoy? What happens when you build a team with this mentality? Well, you take KL Rahul on top, Shami at the bottom, Chris Gale to pull in the crowds, and the rest? Let's take in whoever comes in on that day. First come, first serve basis. Coach Kumble at this point is like an F1 racer, racing in Formula 1 with a bullet cart. Rajasthan Royals. After tasting success at the hands of Shane Warne, they seem to have gone all in on foreigners. From Smith, Butler, Miller, Stokes, Archer, easily becoming the third most spenders this time. And after you finished buying all the foreigners, they realized, oh, we don't have a spinner in a mostly spin UAE track. Yeah. Best of luck, guys. Chennai Super Kings. With an average age of 31.6, with Raina and Harbhajan opting out due to personal reasons, with arguably the weakest lineup till date, they shouldn't be able to win. But they will. Why? Dhoni. If they played with 10 physically handicapped people, still they would win. If they had to replace most of their team members with primary school cricket team, still they will win. If their entire team has corona and they have to play while being attached to ventilators, still they will win. Because of Dhoni. That's all I've got to say about this. Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians at this point are like the living proof of Ambani's business strategy. Lowest investment, maximum profit. A team comprising of all-rounders and high performers. When everyone starts running, they sit back and relax. They don't seem to want to move till they are on the verge of elimination, and then they start setting everyone on fire. Still, they won't win this year. They will make it to the finals, no doubt. But they won't win. Why? Well, it's 2020, and Ambanis and Mumbai Indians have a grudge against all even number years. 2015, 2017, 2019, the rest, complete flop. So, they will make it to the finals, where they will promptly hand over the cup to CSK. Well, that's it for our predictions. If you don't agree with us, tell us why in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.